we have 7
28 شعبان مستر.
p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, and this is maths group class, because this is not optional class, right?
Yeah.
Because now it is paid class, so it's maths group class. Okay.
Okay.
Maths group class. Okay. Let me call out the names. So I know I am dealing with who all. First of all, Adam.
Yes, mister.
Adnan and Badr.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. He's saying yes 2 times. Amir,
Yes, mister.
Hima. Himawari, what?
Yeah, he's
Himawari and
Ibrahim.
Shinchan. What is this? Ibrahim?
Yeah.
He's opening his mic or what? I don't hear his response. Jamal. Jamal, I heard already. Riyadh.
Yes, mister.
Riyadh
Yeah,
is there?
mister. Yeah.
Okay. So we have all in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ismail is not there.
I think now he will join.
He will join. Okay, let me bring the screenshots and chapter name, as Muhammad Amir yesterday informed us that chapter number 13, right?
Yes.
13. Yeah.
Chapter number 13. Yani your term started and in 1 week they started giving you test. What is this?
Yeah. We have 2 tests this week, like tomorrow maths and on Thursday chemistry.
Math.
Okay.
Then next week we will have, I think, Islamic and physics.
Okay. So, okay, chapter 13 is this fractions, decimals, and percentages. Equivalent fractions, percentages, and decimal. These all things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me bring the screenshot in the group so that the parents also know that I have started. So if anyone is remaining, Mr. We join. Ali is asking. Muhammad Ali. Yalla. Join quickly. How will I say join quickly in Arabic?
ادخل بسرعة.
How will I write?
What?
Tell me.
What, mister?
How will I say it again, Riyad?
ادخل بسرعة.
Udkhul. Udkhul bisura. Enter quickly. Okay. Udkhul. Okay. I will try to write it. Udkhul bisura. Okay. Yes. Yalla, join quickly. Udkhul bisura. Okay.
Hello, Mister.
Mister.
Dan is finally with us, among us.
Ismail. Ismail not join, Mister. He is at a funeral.
Oh, okay, no problem. Let's continue. Okay. Let me change the background because otherwise it will be a difficulty. Okay. Now, equivalent fraction, percentages, and decimals. We have started this thing or not?
No.
I think this is totally new for us. And it's not very difficult because fractions and decimal, and we have studied so many times. Now we will introduce percentages into the story and see what happens, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the name of the chapter, fractions and okay, these all things. Where is my board? This is my writing board. recording this session, so those who missed this session, I'll be uploading the video after the class, inshallah. They can have a look if they are interested. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, my pen is working. Okay. Now let me see one thing. You guys are having the notebook and pen or pencil, whatever. You are not just sitting idle, okay? You should have something to write on. Okay. And Yusuf Firas did not join also? He was saying in the group that he will join.
No, Mr. Amir.
Ah, you are here.
Yeah.
Ah, you joined just now because I'm not seeing the whiteboard sheet. I'm just looking in the PDF of book. That's why I didn't notice. Oh, good. You are here. Now Muhammad Amir will be careful while answering because he knows that someone is giving him more competition. Yes. Before he was giving any number and boom, no one was caring. But now Muhammad Amir will be double careful.
Mister, today in school we were having a science fair.
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
I can send you the pictures and the videos, Mister, if you.
Okay, after the class, inshallah, not now, because if you send me, then I'll be busy in watching them and it will not be good. It will waste my time now because I want to give my time in the class. Kilos. Okay. Let's deal with the first exercise quickly. Now we can see what? Wow, look at the resolution. Write these percentages as fractions in their simplest form. Okay, it means what? Remember, guys, not remember, just write it down. Note. Write this important thing in your notebook quickly. This is the first thing that you have to remember always. Whenever, what is happening to my spelling? Whenever the percentage sign, yani this is written, is available. Available. Okay, I will write this. Whenever the percentage sign is available or visible, always divide by 100. What do I mean? I will show you with examples. Okay, just write it down. Do not think anything, just write it down. I will explain what does this blue color mean. Always divide by Mia. Okay, once you finish this, then I will explain what does this English mean.
I finished, Mister.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Can you hear me?
Yes, Muhammad Ali is back with us
Yeah.
after a million. Sana. Muhammad Ali, just quickly write this line.
I wrote
This
it.
line. You
Mr.
wrote it already?
Mr. I understand this part.
You understand
Yeah,
this point
this
also?
word.
Okay. Because I have already explained this thing previously multiple times, but again I'll explain since there are many new guys. Now, what does this mean? Has everyone written?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Jamal, you have become very famous, you know.
Why?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Whenever you
Yeah,
are
on
not
his
in the
lap.
class, we are missing you. We say that there was a guy who started yes, 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 and now he's not there among us. So you are quite famous. But till now, I did not hear Ibrahim. I heard all of you guys except Ibrahim. What is the reason? His microphone is not working properly or what?
No, Ibrahim.
Maybe
his
he's
mom
eating.
wants him.
Maybe he's eating, he's saying. Adnan is okay. So what I was telling, first of all, I will explain what is the meaning of this sentence that I wrote on the screen. Whenever the percentage sign is available, always divide by 100, meaning to say what? For example, you have 75%. Okay, it has to be converted to fraction. Converted to fraction. Now, do you see the percentage sign already available? Yes. So when it is available, we divide by 100. Meaning what? It can be written as 75 over 100. And can we simplify it now? Yes, it can be simplified. 75 over 100 can be simplified by what number?
By 5, it will be 15.
Oh, okay, by 5, okay.
It
It
will
can
be
be divided by 5. It can be divided by bigger numbers also. So it's your
Yes.
choice.
Yeah, or 25.
25 also.
25 over
Yeah.
over.
So you want to divide by what number?
25.
By 5.
25. So in the table of 25, 75 appears at what position?
3.
3.
Third position.
3
Yes.
over 4.
And 100
4.
4.
at fourth position.
Fourth.
Can it be simplified more?
No.
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 This is known as simplest form. So the answer will be 3 over 4. That's the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. So this answer is in simplest form. No need to write simplest form. I am just writing. No need to write it. Okay. This is the simplest form. That's how I did
Instead.
this question. That's how I did this question. Now let's take another question. Yes, Ali, what are you saying?
Mr. Can we do instead like 0.75 and then multiplied with the origin number?
If you make it 0.75, then you multiply by what?
Oh no, in like in another place you could do like 0.75 in other questions. For example, if you
In
have
other
100
questions you
reals and you
can,
want to know
but
the
here they
80%.
are specifying. Here they are specifying fractions. Please convert the percentage to fraction. So in that
Okay.
type of question, you have to do this technique. Okay, but in other questions where you have to convert to decimal or to something else, your technique is okay. You can convert it to 0.75, but not now. Okay, so let's do the things step by step. Do not rush. Okay. Now everyone try this question. Question number G. 1G. Question number 1G. Everyone please try. It says 35% converted to fraction in the simplest form. Same procedure. Do the same thing and tell me what will be the answer.
Can I see the answer?
Mister, I finished. Can I say the answer?
I finished. Me too.
No, wait. What about Jamal? What about Badr? What about Yusuf Firas?
What about Ibrahim?
What about Ibrahim? Ibrahim is not responding. So
No,
I
it's
didn't call
Hema.
his name.
Oh, okay.
Jamal, got the answer?
Yes, mister.
What we will do, tell me 35%. Do you see the percentage sign?
So it's gonna be 35 over 100.
Okay. Can we simplify it?
Yes.
By what number? Tell me.
I simplified it by 5 or
Yes. Yes, tell me.
the
Correct. That's correct.
35 is in the 7th place.
Very good. And 100 is in the? You can do long division. If you are having trouble, divide by 5, you will get the answer. This quotient will give you the answer. What will come here? Tell me quickly. Jamal only.
Adnan?
No,
Jamal.
not Adnan. I'm saying Jamal. There is no similarity between this name and this name.
I don't know.
100 will be in the 20th place.
Yes, 20th place. Very good. So the answer will be 7/20. Can it be simplified more, or this is the simplest form? In the table of
Yes.
7, can we simplify 20?
No, we can't.
No, we have 21. We don't have 20. So 7/20 is the final answer. Clear?
Yes.
So that was all about question number 1. Quickly note it down. Those who have any issues, they can ask me. Otherwise, I'll move on to the following questions. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, in second question, do you see percentage sign?
No.
No.
Fractions.
So when percentage sign is visible, we divide by 100. But when percentage sign is not visible, what we will
Multiply
do?
by
Multiply by
Multiply.
100.
100.
Okay.
Yeah. We could just instead like
let's-
remove the 100, like simplify.
Yes, you will simplify. Like question number 2. Let's take this question. Why there is so much disturbance coming from someone's microphone?
I don't know.
Like question number 2C, 4/10.
Sir, somebody's mic is annoying.
Yeah.
4/10. What we will do? Divide by 100? No, multiply by
Multiply
100.
by 100.
Now, this
Okay.
100 is numerator or denominator? What do you guys think?
Numerator.
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 Numerator. Yeah.
Numerator.
Numerator, not numerator. It's not numerator. No. Okay. It's numerator. With a R.
Numerator.
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 Okay? Yes. So
Nu-
100
numerator.
is a numerator here. Khalas, 100 is a numerator. And 10 is what? Also numerator?
No, denominator.
No,
Denominator.
Denominator. So it can be
Denominator.
simplified. And it is very, very
Yeah.
simple. Just cancel 1 0 on the top, 1 0 at the
cancel.
bottom.
So you can do it. You can simplify again.
No, I cannot simplify again. There is only one remaining here. I can't do
Oh,
anything.
yeah.
10 is 10 is 40.
Equal 4.
And percentage. You will bring the percentage sign this time. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Why did
So
you bring the percentage sign? Because you multiplied by 100. But
So
when
can
you
you give
divide
us
by
a-
100, the percentage sign goes away. Clear? Now, how we will do this F part? Everyone, please do it on your notebook, not just verbal maths, okay? No.
Okay.
Okay.
2F, 9/20.
I know it.
You know it, okay, but you have to do it in the notebook. When I'm saying do in the notebook, you have to do.
Yeah, I finished.
Okay, then wait. Very good. Very, very good. Yusuf Firas,
I
why
finished,
are you
mister.
so slow today? Are you
No,
there?
sir, I finished.
You didn't eat Indomie today? Why are you so slow? Indomie? You don't
Indomie.
like? What do you like?
I like it.
Mr. Can I say
Right.
the answer?
Okay, go ahead.
It's 45.
45. Oh.
Yeah, correct.
من أمريكا 45. Okay. 9/20, the same thing, multiply by
Multiply
100.
5.
100.
Now, this can be simplified very easily. How? Jamal, can you simplify this 120?
We knock out the 100, the zero,
Knock out, see?
the
Boxing
zero
and
for the
fruits.
100.
No third thing, only boxing and eating.
Remove the 100, remove the zero
Remove
from
his
one.
hands, huh? This guy is so destructive. 20 is gone, 1st place, 100 is gone, 5th place.
Fifth.
Okay. So the answer will be 45%.
Mr. I'll tell you something.
Hmm.
I simplified like 2 times. I removed the 0 from the 100 and 20. It became 10 and 2.
Okay, that's also good.
And then I
That's
simplified
also
again.
good. That's also good.
Is
What
that
he
correct?
did, he did
I multiplied by
9/20 times 100, 0 and 0 gone, and 2, 1, and 10, 5. That's also good.
Yeah,
Mister,
I
I
did like
multiplied
that.
both of them. I multiplied both of them by 5, so it will be 45/100. Then make it like a 45%.
Shut.
You always have to be different, huh?
Because the mister in our school do this way that I did.
Yeah.
Like
Okay, let's
sometimes
do
they
the last thing and then we will move ahead. No problem.
Okay.
That's also correct. Now L part. 36 over 400.
Okay. Okay.
I get it, mister.
Okay, let me see who else is there.
36
Adam is
divided
there.
by 4,
Adam,
right?
did you get the answer?
Mister, I got it. I multiplied by 100, but I got like 36 over 4. Can I make
No.
it
Can it
like
be
percent?
simplified? 36 over 4. In the table of 4, 36 comes.
Table of 4, yeah.
What position?
9.
Mr.
That's the answer. 9% is the answer. Okay?
9%.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see it
Mister, I
again.
got the answer.
What's your answer?
9%.
Mister, I
Okay.
got 18%.
MashaAllah.
Now
I'm
look,
not
now
going
look,
to play.
now look, 0 gone,
0.
and 0
Zero.
gone. What is remaining? 36 over 4, which
36
is
over
9
4.
times
9 multiplied
9
4
times
equals
4, 36.
equals
And what is the unit here? I mean not
Percentage.
unit. I mean not unit. You have to put it percentage. Percentage is not a unit.
Mister,
have
I
to
used a
display it.
different way, Mister.
كده الطريقة كيف جبت 18
What was your different way? 36 multiplied by 100 and 3600.
No, yeah.
3600 over 400. You did something like this.
Without simplifying.
And I prefer if you guys simplify, it will be good. But if you don't simplify, it is not wrong.
It's just more longer.
It's just more multiplication. If you don't do simplification in the early stages, you have to do big multiplication. So it's your choice. Now,
Mister.
what will happen if the denominators is ajib like this, or
Allah.
like
Who will simplify?
We do like Jamal's
this.
way.
like this?
Like Jamal.
We can simplify
Like
it
Jamal.
first
We
to
can
enable that.
simplify by 2 or
Let's-
4.
Let's do
and
this
then
one.
multiply.
Let's do this one. 2k 51 over 68. Let's do it. 2k
Okay.
51 over 68 again times 100. Now, can we simplify these two
Yes.
by the table of
2.
2.
by table of 2? Yes, correct.
It
So
will
let's
be
tell me 100 is
68 will
very
be
easy, Jamal.
34.
34 and 50.
Yeah, Yusuf.
Yeah.
And
You can do. You
100
can
will be
simplify
50.
again.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
68,
simplify again.
34.
And 68 will become 34.
4.
Yes, again it is possible.
Yeah.
Yes. It will be 17 and 25.
Yeah.
Half of 34 is 17, half of 50 is 25.
Yeah.
Now I see an important thing here. You guys can notice.
Yes, they are in the same table. 51 is in the
Yes.
third position.
Yes, in the third position. 17 times 3 is
51.
51. Yes, Adnan.
Yeah.
So it will be 3 over 1.
American cat today. Yeah.
3
Yeah.
3 over
Okay.
1 multiplied
So it
25.
will be
3 over
It
1
will be
multiplied 20.
here and here. So what are we left with? We are left with
3
3
multiplied
here,
25.
25 here, and 1 here. What
Yes.
do we do now?
75 over 1.
It will be 75.
75 over 1, and over 1 we can ignore. So the final answer will be
Percent.
75
75%.
Wait, Mister, I got confused after the part of making it 17 and 25. Like when you said they're both similar, I didn't understand it.
Again. 51 was there.
It's 68.
Yes, Muhammad Ali. This was
Yeah,
the original thing.
you can divide by 4.
Now,
Yeah.
I can divide by 4 straight away because now you already know
Yeah.
the concept. So you are
Yes.
going to get here
17.
17 directly here and 25 directly here, correct?
Yeah.
By using
Yes.
4 table. Now, 17 in the table of 17. 17 times 1 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 3 is 51.
51.
That's the
Oh,
magic here. Okay.
okay.
So what I did, 17 first position and 51 third position. That's all. And what is
Oh,
25
okay.
times 3? What is 25 times 3?
25 times 3, 25, 25, 75, 70.
75. That's
Yeah, 75.
not 70.
75,
You need to
75.
learn table of 25 now, mashallah.
Yeah.
Okay. This table has 3 columns, fractions and equivalent fraction and percentage. What is the meaning of equivalent fraction? Meaning to say, in an exam, if you get 3 out of 5, and in another exam you get 6 out of 10, they are
Yes.
basically the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this is the half of it.
Like 30 out of 50. This is also the same thing as this. This is also the same thing as this, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
So what is the meaning of
Yes, yes,
equivalent
yes.
fraction? Equivalent fraction means what? You have a fraction, you multiply the top and the bottom by any common number. For example, let's say 5 and 5. What do you get?
10 and
You
15.
get 10 and 15.
And 15.
So 10 over 15 is the same as
2 over
2
3.
over 3.
Over 3.
Let's take another number. 2 over 3 multiplied by, let's say 10 here and 10 here.
20 over 30.
20 over 30.
20 over 30, yes, it is the same thing. Also, division is possible. For example, if I give you 20 over 30, if you divide on top by 2, if you divide on top bottom by 2 also, what will you get finally?
10 over
10
15.
over 15.
10 over 15. So
10 over
basically,
15.
we can do division and multiplication both.
My
Mr.
12
we
or
can
That
also
is
do
or
the
8.
meaning of equivalent fraction. Now let's see what do we do in question number 3.
10
Yes.
over 15
Now
divided.
here you have 3 over 5. Equivalent fraction is 60. Ah, okay.
By
What
20.
is the
Make
trick?
it over
What is the
100.
trick? What is the trick they have used? This bottom denominator. How can we
100.
make 5 into 100?
Multiply
by
by
what?
20.
By
By
20.
20. 20. So
Multiply and 20 here as well as here.
Yeah.
This is the trick here. Now to a 200 here. How can you make 200 into 100?
Can
Jamal?
divide it by 2.
Divide by 2.
So it will be 3 over
Divide by 2.
100, which is
3 over 100
3%.
percentage will be 3
Tisa
over
Jamal Mana.
Mister,
Nine Jamal
they
with
talk
us.
too fast, Mister.
لا لا.
You also need to start
divide by 2, yeah,
including
mister.
in doing. Now finally Ibrahim entered the chat.
No, this is Muhammad Ali.
No.
Ah, this is Muhammad Ali. Okay. Now 200 can be made 100 by simply dividing
By
by 2.
dividing it.
By
Now
2.
if we are dividing the denominator by 2, the same stuff has to be done by the top
3 over
member.
100.
Okay. So it will give us 3 over 100. And 3 over 100 is basically how much
3%.
percentage? 3%.
Yeah.
Yes, Jamal? Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Next. Ah, okay. Yes, I will explain this.
هذا
But can we
مخي
convert?
أوقف.
Mr. 1 and 3 over 4 equals 7 over
1 3
4.
over
Then
4.
multiply by
Can we
25.
convert this guy to improper? Can we convert this
Yeah.
guy to improper first?
Yeah.
Yeah, 7 over
4 plus
4
3,
multiply
7 over
1
4.
plus 3.
7.
4
7
multiplied
over
by
4.
1 is 4 plus 3, 7. 7 over
7 over 4.
4.
Now this 4, how can we make this 4 into
Multiply
100?
by
Multiply by 25.
Multiply by
Multiply by
25.
2.
Both.
Multiply by 25 here as well as here. Will
Yeah.
give
This
us
one
what?
will be
100.
175.
Yeah, 175.
yeah,
175. Yeah.
Which is how much percentage? 175?
175%.
or 1.75 in decimal.
Cloud.
No. Ah, 1.75 in decimal. Yes, that's correct. But it's not required in this question. That's correct. Let's take.
Mr. 1 over 8.
Yes, 1 over 8. How we will do?
1 over 8
Mr.
multiplied by
12.5.
12.5.
Yeah.
See.
It will be 12.5 over.
So Mr. You basically divided by 100, so you can find the number.
But in some cases, it's not possible. Like 50 can be made 100. 250 can be made 100, but not that easily. 20 can be made 100 very easily. Like multiply by 5 here. This multiply by 2 here. But what will you do 250? You have to divide by
Divide.
2.5
Divide, yeah.
here
Yeah.
and divide by 2.5, which is not that easy. Okay, so what we are going to do in that questions, okay, you can either take it to 1000, like for example this question, can we make 250 into 1000, 1000?
Yes,
Multiply
multiply by
Yeah,
Yes.
four.
multiply
Yeah.
by 4.
Multiply by 4.
Multiply by 4 here and multiply by 4 here, but take care, there is one important thing to be noticed here. This will be 1000, but what will be on the top?
160.
4 multiply 4,
160.
60,
Yeah.
160.
But don't write 160 percentage here. You know why?
Yeah.
You cannot write it because you
1000.
have 1000 here.
Yeah, we can make it
Yes.
16%.
So answer will be 16 percentage. You have to
Okay,
take
easy.
care, very careful. You have to be clear.
Clear.
Claro.
But what about these type of question? 120, you can never make it 100,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So divided
So
by
how are
4.
we going to do? What are we going to do?
Divide to the simplest one, then multiply to make it
Yeah.
200. Like divide by
Yes.
4, it
Yes,
will
you
be
can simplify it now. Now 96 over 120. Let's forget 100 concept. Let's try to simplify this guy. Now what table we can use to simplify this
4.
thing?
4.
We can use
Okay.
4. Okay. Now 96 over 120. By in the table of 4, 96 arrives at what position and
19.
120 arrives at what position?
19 over 19
29.
over 40.
24, 24 for the 96, 24.
24.
Oh, 24. No,
24,
24 here and 40
30,
here.
30 of 40?
30.
30.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
30
yes,
and
30.
24.
What else?
I said 90. Then divide by 2.
By 2.
6.
But,
Oh,
oh,
yes,
6.
6.
Yes.
It will be 4 over 6. No, 4 over 5. 4 over
4 over
5.
5.
What 4?
No.
Yes. Yes. 4 over 5. Correct. What am I doing? 4 over 5. Yes.
Yes.
Now can we make 5 into 100?
Yeah,
Yeah,
multiply
multiply
by
by
Yours. Yours.
80
It will
over
be
100.
80 over 100.
So it will be 20 times 20. which
Mr.
will give
How,
us
how
what?
Mr. How
80
Mr.
over
4,
100.
Mr. It's 24, it's not 25. It's not 20. How?
What table am I using? Table of which number did I use?
5.
6 or 5?
5.
No, of 6. In
Oh,
the
six.
table of 6,
Oh, 6. Okay.
24 arrived at what position and 30 arrived at what position?
4 and 5. Okay.
Okay. I use the table of 6.
4.9.
Now it became so easy. 4 over 5. We multiply here by 20, here by 20, which will give us what?
80 over 100.
Which is how much percentage?
80%.
80%.
80 percentage. Jamal,
Takes time, but easy.
saab wala sahla?
سهل.
Mr. Can you stop the last one?
Last one, okay. First note it down this. Note down all of this.
I already noted down my answer.
I know.
This.
Okay, should I? Oh, sorry, I didn't hear. Someone was asking something.
No, sir.
Okay, I'll go to the last question of this table, and then I will move on because there are so many questions remaining. I think we cannot do it. Okay, 84 over 175. Again, how do we know that it is divisible by 3? You add the digits. Like 8 plus 4 is what?
9.
Add the digits. 8 plus 4 is what? 12.
12.
Oh.
12 comes in the table of 3. Yes, that means this guy comes in the table of 3. Now add 1 plus 7 plus 5. What do you get?
13.
13.
Yeah,
13 comes in the table of 3.
No.
No.
Or
No, that means this number cannot be simplified by 3. So let's take 4. 4 not possible. 5 not possible.
6 not possible.
6
7 not-
definitely not possible. 7. Let's check. 14. Yes.
yeah, 7 is
Yes. How? Tell me. This
No,
number
Mr.
comes at what
Oh.
position and this number comes at what position in the table of 7?
8
Quickly.
plus, 8 plus 4 equal 12. It can't come, mister.
Did I tell you that this rule is for everything? This rule is only for table of 3. Don't make it for 7 and 8 and 1000.
Oh, okay. Only for 3. Okay.
Only for 3. Only for 3 and 9. Not for anything else. For 3 and 9 only.
No, this is
Oh,
12.
I think 12 over 20. No, 25. Yeah.
12.
Or
Very good. Over.
25.
How do you know this? All the time.
Mr. 75
Sure,
is
Mr.
25.
MashaAllah, you are so fast.
Mr. What is this misery, yeah, Mr.?
Because
But,
Mr.
but
You can do
Divide
this.
by what?
You
7?
you
طب
can do this.
Mr. How can I know if it's
7.
7?
I try.
How can I know if it's 7? I
You
try
have to
every
start
number.
from the table of 2. See, you have to start from the table of 2. If
No,
it
it's
works,
different.
okay.
Table
If it
of
doesn't work, go to table of 3. Then 4. Then 5. See, basically you have to simplify it. You have to search for options, right? So 2 we checked, it didn't come. 3, 4, 5, no. Then we checked for 7 and we got the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now it became so simple. 12 over 25.
Yeah,
25 can be made
multiply by
100
4.
what?
By 4.
Try 4.
By
It'll
4.
be
By 4. So what will be the
48.
overall answer?
48 over 100
3 over
percent
5.
48 percentage.
48 over 100,
48%.
which is
Multiply
what?
on.
48 percentage.
Yes.
Okay, note it down. And then I'll jump so many questions now.
Mr. Like the most, like the hardest one is I think 13.3 or no 13.2.
Question 7, Mr.
Okay, let's move to other questions. I'll
Oh,
erase
7.
that part. Now you may use a calculator. No, erase this, erase this, erase this. No one is allowed.
Sir,
simple
Mr.
stuff-
said that he won't bring this question in exam.
Which question? This one?
Yeah, the calculator one. He told us
So
he
should
won't
I
bring
tell
it
you?
in exam because it needs calculator. It's easy, but it takes so much time. You need to make long division and stuff.
Yes. Yes, we need to do long division. Should I tell you this question 4 or should I skip it?
Skip.
We have no time.
Yeah, skip, Mr.
Yeah, skip. We have no time.
Now we have this is very simple. You have the marks in a test, 31 out of 50, 135 out of 150,
Multiply by 2.
60 over 75 and 141 over 200. Now you have to give the answer in lowest term. Lowest term means what? Simplest form. They are basically the same thing. So please guys write it down. Lowest terms is the other name
Simplest.
for simplest form. What is the meaning of simplest form? It means you have to simplify as much as possible so that there is no more simplification possible. That is known as simplest form or lowest term. Is it clear, everybody?
Clear.
Okay. Let's do a word problem now. Question number 6. Jenny. No, not Jenny. When we have a J guy in the group, why should I make it Jenny? It's not Jenny.
Mr. We will not answer question 5.
Just simplify 141 over 200 and then simplify it just like that.
Yes, like 31 over 50. Can
Yeah,
we
31 over
simplify?
50. No, we will
Cannot be
multiply by
simplified. How we will convert to percentage? Do you see a
multiply by
percentage
2.
sign here? No. When we don't see a percentage sign, we multiply by 100.
Oh.
So basically, you will get
This is
62 will be the answer.
yeah,
What?
62%. Yes, it's like the same. Mr. What I did, 31 over 50 multiplied by 2, it will be 62 over 100. Then simplified by 100, it will be 0.62 or 62%.
Why you want to make the thing so complicated? You are making 31 over 50. Then you do by 2. Oh, sorry, you make by 100. Then you make what?
No, Mr.
0.31.
No, I only make
I
like
don't know.
31 over 50 multiplied by 2. Then I will get 62 over 100 equals 62%.
After this,
Jamal?
what will you do?
Now, like here, Mr. 31 multiplied 2 and 50 multiplied by 2 equal 62 over 100.
Yeah, I want to do like
over
this.
100 equal 62%.
Mr.
Yeah.
I just came back and I see the first thing that I see is called Jamal.
Yes, you are going on cycling to school. That's why. Question number 6. Everyone.
الله عليك يا جمال.
Oh no.
Now
Finally,
he joins
finally.
us.
When the friend is called, the other friend can't resist but to turn on his mic. Okay. Jamal has to cycle 8 kilometers to school. Mustahil. Not possible. Not at all possible.
Mister, I can't run
He
1
cycled 5
kilometer.
kilometers, Mr. How?
So Jamal, so who is the athletic guy? Riyadh is the athletic guy. I think he can manage. Riyadh can manage.
No, Riyadh.
Yes.
Yusuf.
I
Yusuf.
know.
Yusuf.
Yusuf,
Yusuf, yeah,
Yusuf.
Yusuf, Mister.
No,
Yusuf.
Riyadh
Mr.
can
Yusuf.
manage. You guys, what do you guys think? I know Riyadh is very athletic body. Yes, he can manage. Riyadh has to
Mr.
cycle 8 kilometers to school. He. Okay. He has cycled 5 kilometers already. Yani, this is the home. This is the home for Riyadh. And this is the school. And the
Yes, 8
distance
kilometers.
between his home and school is 8
8
kilometers.
kilometer.
Yes.
Yes.
And so far he has only reached somewhere here. Okay. He's standing on the cycle doing stunt. Okay. So out of the whole 8 kilometers, only 5 kilometers he has completed. 3 kilometers are remaining
Hello.
to school. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now, what fraction of percentage of journey, his journey, not her. Okay.
Yes.
Has she
Percentage
tried?
of his journey has he traveled? Now, who can tell me what is the answer?
Can I answer,
I say,
Mr.
Mr.?
Muhammad Ali?
Muhammad Amir.
He traveled 5
No, Jamal will
kilometers.
tell because Jamal is very caring guy. What
Oh.
fraction? What fraction is completed in the journey? Yani we have to think about this part only. How much fraction is complete here? Jamal, tell me. If you get in a 20 marks test, you get 17. You will write it like this, correct?
Yes.
Now, in an 8 kilometer journey, you
Oh, it
completed
will be
only
5
5 kilometers. How will you write it?
It will be 5 over 8.
Okay, that's the answer. Okay, that's the first part. Because this question is asking you two things. First, what?
Fraction.
Fraction. Second,
Second
what?
is percentage.
Percentage. Okay, so the first answer will be 5 kilometer over 8 kilometer, and kilometer got cancelled. So the answer is 5 over 8, simply.
Yeah.
What about second part? How
Can
can
I
we
say,
convert
Mr.?
5 over 8 to percentage?
Can I say, Mr.?
I
Yes,
know,
tell
Mister.
me. Yes, go ahead, Muhammad Amir. Yes, what you will do?
5 over 8 multiply 12.5. It will be 62.5 over 100.
Yes, who has a simpler way? This is correct, but this is not very simple for other students.
12.5.
Who can suggest a simpler way? Multiply by 100 simply. And
Yeah,
then simplify.
yes. And then
That's all.
simplify.
Okay, now let's see how do we simplify this stuff. Why did I multiply by 100? Why did I not divide by 100? Who can tell me the reason?
Because you are
Adnan?
converting it to percent.
No, Adnan, Badar will tell me. I did not hear his voice for so long.
Teacher, can make simplify?
You can in your notebook you can, but now Badar has to tell me why did I write multiply by 100? Why I didn't write and divide by 100? Badar, أين أنت الآن?
Yes.
Yes, give me the reason. You are here.
Yes.
I thought you have mic problem. You are not speaking anything. You know the reason or you don't know?
I don't.
Okay. I will try to remind you a very important note that I wrote in the starting of the class. Can you read this blue color text?
Remember the percentage sign. Percentage. Available always divided by 100.
So when the percentage sign is available, you divide by 100. When the percentage sign is not available, what you do?
Multiply.
Multiply by 100. So in this 5 over 8, was the percentage sign available? No, it was not available. So we will multiply. You got the technique?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is very, very easy now. Simplification 108. We can do it. Yes. By table of 4.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Muhammad Ali. By the table of 4. 8 comes
Yeah.
at what position?
Second.
Second position.
Two.
100 comes at what position?
25.
25.
25. Now what?
Equal
Now
one.
it give us a decimal answer. So it's better to multiply this first. 25 multiplied by 5 is 125.
125 over 2.
And what is the half of 125?
72.5. No, 62.5. 62.
Yes.
62.5.
62.5 and percentage also. You have to mention percentage. So
Yes.
this is the final answer.
Answer.
For this one and
Answer.
So, Mr. Whenever we have a fraction, you want to make it percentage, you just multiply by 100, whatever number
simply.
it is.
Simply.
Mister,
yes,
why is it
exactly.
decimal?
Why it is decimal? Because 120. What is the half of 125 real?
Nus. 50 cents.
Mr.
50 cents for the American guys. See,
Oh my.
Badr, or not Badr, I mean Jamal, 125. If you have 120 real, how do you split in two, guys? Jamal?
Yes.
No. If you have 120 kg of cake, okay, how do you split the two, guys? Tell me. How much did
I will
each
give
guy
one
get?
60 and the other one 60.
You are so adil, mashallah.
Yeah, now he knows, huh?
Now he knows, huh? Now he knows. See, Mr. Faz knows how to explain to the students.
And now the
Okay.
5.
Now, if I make it 125, Jamal, what will be the changes
5.
in this and here? Itna nus hina extra and itna nus hina extra. Yes.
So you should be the person who knows those stuff. You have like always come to canteen on the school day.
Mister, you
should be an
always
expert in
make me learn everything.
Mashallah.
Yeah, I should be an expert.
So 62.5, that's where the decimal came. Did you get this point?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, very simple, mister.
Very simple. Okay. Let's move on to the next. No, I can't move to the next exercise. I'll do few questions more. Like, yes,
Mr.
question number 11. 0.6.
0.6 equal
What we have
60.
to do, convert this decimal to fraction in
60 over
simplest
100.
form. How can I convert this guy to fraction?
Multiply by 100.
Listen,
100,
I will tell
simply.
you a simple thing. I will tell you a simple thing because
60
some
over 100.
students can make a mistake. I will show you two examples. This is A part and this is E part. Okay. Now, after the decimal, how many digits are there here? And after the decimal, how many digits are here?
1 and 2.
1.
And A is 1 and
One
A
and
2.
1.
1 and 2.
Yeah.
Ooh. Someone wants to sleep, have a nap.
Ooh.
I don't know, mister.
So you have one space here. Not space here, one digit here after decimal and 2 digits here. Meaning what? Meaning if I want to remove the decimal completely, I have to divide this guy by 10 only. But in the second part, I have to divide by what?
Yeah.
To completely remove the decimal of this guy.
You have to multiply, not divide.
By 100.
Multiply by
Let
100.
me
Mister.
complete. Let me complete.
If we want 175 over 100, which means 175%.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what the
No,
Mr.
but you don't have to do it in percentage. What are they asking? They are asking in fraction. Don't give the answer as percentage.
Oh,
You guys are rushing.
the opposite.
You guys are rushing. That's what I'm saying. Now look.
Yeah.
Again. 0.6 can be written as what? 6 over 10
6
or
over
100?
10. No, 100. No, 10.
6 over 10.
10.
Now 1.75 can be written as what? 175
Over 1000.
Really?
No.
Oh no, wait.
100, mister. 100.
100.
100.
Yes.
Now, can we simplify this?
Yes.
Yes.
3 over
two.
Will
5.
be what?
But divide 2.
3
3 over 5.
3 over 5. Any simplification more possible?
No.
No.
No. Alas, this is the answer. Next. 175 and 100. We can simplify by what table? Who will tell me? Yusuf
But-
Firas.
We can simplify it by the table 5.
No, give me a big number. 5 is very baby.
will be-
Quickly.
It will
Give
be
me a big
what?
number.
This is very baby.
صغيرة.
Okay, we can, for example, 25.
25.
25, yeah.
25. That's a big boy. Okay.
Abba?
In the
Big
table of
boy.
25, 175 appears at what position?
3. No,
Three.
3. It's,
No, what?
Not
24,
3. This is
24.
175.
24.
7 over
24.
7 over
24.
12.
Over
7.
7?
What 24?
How 7?
What 24?
Who said 24?
Mr. how 3?
محمد علي.
How
three?
3?
Not 3,
Mr.
not
No.
3, not 3,
Four,
not 3,
Mr.
not
Four.
3,
Four,
not 3.
Mr.
La, 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 la. Take 2, take 2. Nothing.
Yeah.
nothing.
Wait.
Glitch in the...
So can we use 5 instead?
You can use 5, no problem. What will happen?
Okay,
if
wait,
you
easy.
use
Put that
5?
one simplified.
See, if you divide by 5, you will get like...
What's this?
35 and
35
20,
and
something
20.
like this. Now,
And then
simplification
simplify
is
one more time.
possible again. You will
Yeah.
use the table of 5.
Yeah,
and
7
you will
of
get
7
and 4.
over 4. Yeah, it's way easier for me.
Okay?
Okay.
If you guys are not giving the answer, you can keep your mic muted. Otherwise, I'll mute the whole class if I hear any unnecessary noise. Is it clear?
Clear.
Clear.
Yes. So keep your mics shut down, everyone, unless there is a need. No need to talk unnecessarily. Change these percentages to decimals. Very, very simple. Just
Can I
shift
can I answer?
the decimals 2 times left. Meaning
Yeah.
to say what? 71
Um,
percentage.
Will
71 percentage. Just shift here
0.71.
1.
will be
0.71.
0.71.
0.71
0.71.
will be the answer.
0.5.
0.04.
Jamal, I
0.
have a question for you.
Yes.
You have this number 60.5. If you convert this to decimal, what do you get, Jamal?
Mister.
After Jamal,
Jamal.
brother will give the answer.
6.
كان عدنان
كان محمد علي.
Silence. Jamal,
He said
I
say it
said
again.
6.05.
Hmm?
Or
Where do you see the decimal? Do you see a decimal here?
yes.
Yeah.
Now, if we shift this decimal left 2 times, where will the decimal rest?
Behind the 6. It will be
Behind the 6. So what will be the final decimal? Can you tell me?
0.605.
Exactly. That's the answer. Okay. And do not put percentage after this sign. It's not required now. It's not required
Yeah.
at all. Okay.
it's
That's
not
the
as a
answer.
decimal.
Because that's the decimal. You already divide by 100.
Now me, Mister.
Now we are going to the next exercise.
Okay.
Okay. And I'll take like 15 minutes break now. I'm going for Salah. I'll be back after 15 minutes, inshallah.
Okay.
With the next exercise.
So we solve the next exercise. We solve it.
Yeah, yes, why not? Go through the questions. If you have the book already, go through
So
the
can you
first
zoom in?
exercise. I can zoom in only up to a limit. Yani if I zoom too much, most of the stuff will go out. So you can try from these, or you have the book. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, go through the questions and tell me. Not tell me, I mean, just keep it note.
Okay.
Why did he not mute us?
Bro. Because he trusts us. So mute up, please.
Okay.
Now there's a break.
Yeah, there's a
15
prayer
minutes.
in like 15 minutes. The prayer is gonna start. Like it's gonna end in 15 minutes. I don't know why it came out so early.
He lives in India.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Mr. Ibrahim said that why is he going very early? I said that you
Yeah,
live
yeah.
in India, so different time zones.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
The time here is 8 p.m. night.
Huh? So not Maghrib Isha.
Whatever is the Saudi time, you add 2 hours and 30 minutes. You get
Yeah,
Indian time.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I forgot.
This is the
My bad.
conversion.
Hello, mister. The mister should be back.
Okay, so I'm back, and let's quickly move on to the following exercise. You guys are there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in this second exercise, we are dealing with percentages of measurements. Measurements means what? Of kilogram, of liter, of ml, of kilometer. Okay, these type of measurements in our day-to-day life, we are going to deal some percentages within them. Okay, like what is 5% of 3 kilometers, or what is 10 kilometers of 10 percentages of 10 kilometers, something like that. Okay, so we are bringing percentages into our daily measurements and calculations.
Mr. Do you
And
know what
even
is? Oh, okay,
even
complete.
even dollars.
Yes.
Okay, even dollars or reals or rupees, we can use the same strategy to get the answers. Okay, so the
Mr. Do you know what
screenshots
is measurements in Arabic?
I don't remember correctly now.
Yeah.
It's
East.
مقاييس.
مقاييس يا مقاييس.
مقياس.
No,
لا
مقياس.
مقاييس. measurements.
قياسات
Measurements
قياسات.
مقاييس.
Yeah,
مقاييس.
مقاييس.
Okay, so you can see here. Okay, 5 percentages. Let me shift it.
Of $100.
Okay, now let's deal with question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says 5 percentages of $100. I'll take the third question simply directly. 2C, 25 percentage
Of 20 liters.
of 20 liters.
So are you moving
Okay.
your screen because it's like frozen for me?
Let me reshare it.
Okay.
Yes, what about now?
It's loading, I think.
Mr. It's working.
Okay,
I think
so
I've probably
25 percentage of 20 liters, right?
Mr.
So
it's not loading for me. Oh, okay. It loaded just
uh-huh.
now.
Can I start?
Sorry.
Okay, 2C. 25 percentage of 20 liters, correct? Now,
Yes.
there was a special note I mentioned with all of you guys at the start of the class, right?
Yes.
Whenever
Yeah.
the percentage sign is available, what do we do?
Divide by
Divide
100.
by 100.
Divide by 100. Do you see a percentage sign?
Yeah.
appearing here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 25% can be written as what?
25
over
25
100,
over
correct?
100.
Over 100 divided 20.
0.25.
Off becomes multiplication. Okay.
Multiply
And 20
20.
stays as 20. No changes whatsoever. Now, this is
Yeah.
so easy for us to simplify.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yes.
What 120
Cancel
will
the
simplify them
zeros.
by 20.
Cancel the zeros. Simply 0 and 0 gone.
And
Then
divide
what?
by 2. And
Yeah.
divide 10 by 2. It will
10
be.
by 2 will give us 5.
Yeah.
Correct.
And 1.
And 2 divided by
And
2 will
it
give
will
us
be
1.
5 over 1.
1.
Now 25 and 5 are remaining. 25 divided by
Divide
5
by
is
five.
what?
5.
5.
5. And is there a unit involved in this question?
Yeah, 5 liters.
Yes.
5 liters.
Liters,
5
because we
liters.
were dealing 25% of 20 liters. So the final answer is 5
5 liters.
liters. Please note it down. Okay. Write it down. And then after this one, solve and let's solve. Huh? This one. Question number 2F.
Mr. Like the question C was easy because you know like 25% is the quarter of something, so you'll only get the quarter. Like get the half of 20,
Yes.
then you will get the half of the half, and you'll get.
Yes.
So I think I get the answer. Sir, I get the answer.
You got the answer?
Yeah.
20% of $7.5.
7.50. Yeah.
$7.50 or $7.5. Okay. Then percentage sign is visible, so it means division by 100, meaning to say 20 over 100. Off becomes
Yeah.
what?
And multiplication.
Off becomes multiplication, and 7.5 comes here. Now, keep this decimal aside. Let's deal here first, because it is easier to simplify 20 and 100. So 20
yeah.
and 0 can be gone, or simply 1 and 5 times. Now 7.5 divided by 5, long division you can do it. 7.5 divided by 5, we have already studied this thing many times. What will be the final answer? 1 point?
1.5, Mr. 1.5.
1.5. Yeah.
1.5 only, or is there a unit involved in this question?
No, there's no.
Dollars.
No, dollars.
There
Dollars.
is. There is.
Yes.
Dollars.
Dollars.
So
Mr.
you
What
can-
I did 0.20 multiply 7.50. I got I removed the decimal.
Okay. Not now. Now find this
Let's try it
question.
another way.
If you are getting the same answer, I am good. If you are not getting 1.5,
Yeah.
I will elaborate.
Okay.
Did you get this?
Yes.
Okay. Now in question number 4, there is an odd one
But
out.
Mister, I didn't understand the question.
You did what?
How we got 1.5? Like, this is what I mean.
Did you get until here so far? Were you able to get until here?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
7.5 has to be divided by 5, correct?
Yeah,
Some
correct.
sort of this thing. Now 5 times 1 is 5, and 2.5. Now point is there, so we'll put 5 here. 5, 25. Baby stuff. Adnan was checking me, huh? Mr. Faz knows this or not? Adam already knows this. Huh? Yes? 1.50 is the final answer. Dollars. Please take care of the units. If kilometer is there, mention kilometer. Sometimes you need to convert. Okay. In some questions, you need to convert. If the answer is becoming extremely small, just convert it to something more proper. I will tell you later if a question like this comes. Now let's see the odd one out here. There are multiple terms mentioned here. Let me check again. Are the guys still there? Adam, Jamal, Dosri, Adnan, Amir, Badr, Ibrahim, Muhammad Ali, Riyad, Yusuf, Firaz. Did anyone leave? I don't think so. Okay. Now there are 4 terms, 17%, this one and this one and this one. Now the best thing is what? Convert everything to decimal. Please write it down. Take a note here. This is very, very important note. In odd one out type of questions, in odd one out, is everyone writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
See, these things make your work faster. Okay. I want to give the students the trick they can use to make their mathematics faster. I'm not giving you this unnecessarily so that you guys think, this guy is giving us some notes. Maybe they are useful, maybe they are not. No. If I'm giving you a note, consider it remembering all the time. In odd one out type of questions, convert each term to decimal. This is the thing that we have to remember. Please write it down. Decimal, and then compare them. Write this first and then I'll explain what does it mean.
I wrote it, Mr.
Everyone must write. Not just take a screenshot, huh? Because if you take a screenshot, you never open it again in 50 years. It just keeps piled up in your gallery.
Yeah. You need to write it.
Even
Should be
the
like
same
a
with
professor.
me. If there is an important thing going on, I take a screenshot, thinking that I'll read it later, but I never open it. So it's better if you write it with your own hands. Now let's come back to the question. This 17%, it is either one of the three. Either it is decimal, either it is percentage, or either it is fraction. What is it?
This is
Percentage.
percentage.
It is the percentage stuff. 17 over 100 is what? Fraction.
Fraction.
0.17 is decimal.
Decimal.
17 over 10 is fraction.
Fraction.
Are these all in the same format? No. How
No.
can you compare them? So
We
what
can
did
do
I
all
tell
to
you
decimal.
here? Convert everything to decimal.
Decimal.
Yani this percentage,
Decimal.
convert to decimal. Fraction, convert to
Decimal.
decimal. Decimal is already decimal. Convert this guy to decimal, and then it will be very, very easy for us. Now let's solve it. 17% is how is what in decimal?
It's 17 over
0
100.
0.17.
17 over 100, then we turn
0.17.
it into
Just shift the
0.1.
decimal. Yes.
Yes.
So it will
2
be
times.
0.17. What about 17 over 100?
0.17.
0.17.
Again, 0.17. It's better if you say 17 instead of 0.17. Okay.
17 over 10 is the
0.17.
Yeah.
And the last one,
equals
17 over 10 is what?
1.7.
1.7.
1.7.
1.7. Now, which one is the odd one out?
1.7.
1.7.
1.7.
Now it became so easy, right?
Yours.
Yeah.
That's the way here.
Alright.
So this is the answer. What about the last one? Let's convert everything to decimal and see what do we get. 2
Sir,
over
I know
3.
this. 2 over 3, we have to convert it to
And
percent first.
put your calculators 2 kilometers away from yourself. Everyone, not allowed calculators.
Mr. I don't have my calculator.
Okay. 2 over 3 is what? 2 over 3 in decimal. Quickly do this.
Yeah.
Quickly do this.
Okay. Where's my pen? Okay.
Do this long division. What do you get? Anyone who gets the answer, quickly inform me.
Mister, it keeps repeating.
I know.
Oh.
What's the repeating answer? Tell me.
0.6666.
0.666 forever. Okay. So the
Yeah.
shortcut in mathematics is to write a dot above.
0.66.
This is the shortcut. Okay. For example, if you have something like 0.21111 forever, how do you write it in mathematics? 0.2 and 1 and
One
above
and
1 you
add
put a
point.
dot.
This is
But
I.
if something 2-digit who is asking why?
This is
He said
I.
Better you don't ask why when I'm teaching in a
No, Mr. You said I.
yes.
It looks like the letter I.
72727 something like this is repeating. Okay, how do you write it in mathematics? You write it 0.27 and place a big line on both, or you can write it like this also. It means
Yeah.
what? Instead of writing this non-ending decimal, you can simply write it like this. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's come back to the question. The first we have already converted to decimal. It gave us this. What about second? If you convert it to decimal, what do we get?
0.666.
0.666.
Okay, 0. Only 3 times 6. Okay, it is not continuous.
Yes.
It's not non-ending. It is ending. Okay. What about the third? Because fourth is already given to us. How can we convert this? Can we this 500? Can we make it 1,000?
Yes.
Yeah.
Multiply by 2.
Yeah, multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2. So what will be the decimal?
666 over 1000.
Yeah.
666 over
0.666.
1,000, which will give us 0.666.
0.666.
So which is the odd one out?
They are all the same.
Zero.
The first one.
Who is saying they are all the same? They are not the same.
Amir said all the same.
Mister, in the class we said this.
Mister, they're all the same.
Who said
No.
that?
Me. It's all
No,
the
it's
same.
not the same. It's
Mister,
not
in
the
the-
same.
In the class, the mister said for us that they are all the same. They are even.
Mister, because the
Really?
first one, Mister, the first one, it can be 0.6666 also.
No, what did the teacher say in the class?
It will be the same.
all the
Really?
There's no odd. Yeah.
Now let me prove him. Not him. I'm not concerned with him now. Let me prove you guys. For the first answer, are you getting a non-ending answer like this?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
anything.
For the second, are you getting non-ending answer or an ending answer?
No.
Ending answer.
You are getting a specific ending answer, this.
So it's odd.
Because do you see a dot here? Do you see a dot in the question?
No.
No.
So it is an ending answer here in this one. Did you get exactly 0.666 or was it ending, this guy? Let me check. Let me check. 333 over 500 times 100.
100.
So
But Mr. We write
this guy you will get.
طيب مثلا in the exam what do we write? Odd or even?
Odd or even? What are you
The
telling
Mr.
me?
No,
One.
like odd even.
The
Because
answer
Mr.
will be
Nicholas says
0.666 here. So this is the correct answer. This is the odd one out. Definitely.
But Mr. maybe he'll make us wrong.
Send me
We
the
will
photo.
tell
then.
him.
I will make a video on that topic. If something like this happens.
Okay.
Okay, let me see in the answer key. What does it say? I have the answer key. 10B it was, huh?
Send us.
Yeah.
Which question were we doing? This was question number 4.
Question number 4.
For 13B,
13. I'm looking in 10. Okay, 13. Where is 13? 13 and 13B. Question number 4. Yes, the first answer. Yes. Now look at the screenshot. I'm going to share now the answers. Look at the answer key. What does it say here?
No, Mr. You mean the second one.
Mr. We know you're correct, but Mr. If we make first in the quiz, we are wrong. What will
Mr.
we
The
do?
second one is odd.
Maybe you guys did not understand. Maybe he was saying the correct thing.
No, Mister, and I remember the one who was answering was Adam. Then Mister said, no,
Yeah.
Adam said that everything is even, nothing is odd. Then the Mister said that Adam is right.
Yeah.
What do you mean by even and odd? I don't understand what is even, what is odd.
Like
in
all
this
the
question.
same, all the same.
Like even they are all the same.
So like
odd, there
it's
is
all
something
the same.
different.
Ah, okay. So you guys think that the opposite of odd is even.
Yes.
This is what you guys think, huh?
I mean, it's
Now I know
incorrect,
the
but
issue.
okay.
Now I know the issue. See, Odd has two meanings at least. English guys, please take care, okay? I'm going to tell something in English, some info. Odd has two meanings. Either odd means the odd and the even one, okay? Odd like 1, 3, 5, 7, and even like 2, 4, 6, 8, okay? This is one meaning
Yeah,
of
or
odd. What is the other meaning of odd? Means something unusual.
The
Unusual.
difference.
Or not following the pattern. Not following the pattern of something. That is also known as odd. Like he was wearing an odd uniform, or he was having an odd accent. Meaning what? He was having an unusual accent. Okay? So this question is not telling you odd and even 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. No, this question is asking you, is it unusual? Which number is unusual here? Are you guys understanding my
The second
explanation
one.
here?
Yes.
Are you understanding my explanation here for English?
Yeah.
Anyone has
Yes.
objection in my
it's very clear,
explanation?
Mister.
But Mister, it's
Okay.
the second one.
How it's the second one?
The second
This
one is
thing-
odd.
All the three things are exactly same. How is the second guy odd one out? How?
Because all of them are not ending. Only this is ending.
The first one is non-ending. Everything is ending. Look, this guy, I will tell you. This goes like this. Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me what will happen. Tell me. We will include a 0 and 0 point.
Yeah.
What will happen now? 6 times 3, 18. Then 20. Then 18. Then 20 and 18 and forever. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the second one? 66.6
We will go back
percentage
two
means
steps.
what? Only
We go
2
back 2
times.
steps.
What is the answer? 0.666 only. Is it ending or not ending?
Ending.
Yeah, ending.
Ending. So which one is the odd?
The first one.
The first one. This is what I said, and this is what your answer key is telling. Where is the confusion? I don't know. Okay. Let's move on.
Okay.
We are spending so much time on this silly thing. It's not even a big thing to discuss with, but we have wasted so much time in this question particularly. People might dislike my video for this. Anyways.
But Mister, if our Mister will bring in the test tomorrow, like the same as this question, what we have to write? Your way or his way?
Definitely, this is the correct. I proved to you this. I gave you the
Yeah.
answer key. If you have any doubt, I don't
Mister-
know what.
Yes. But I don't know why the
Mister,
Mister
when I
said
go to
that.
school, I will tell him this question. That the first one
Take
is
a
the right answer.
screenshot. Yes, take a screenshot of this. Show him in the mobile. And see, there is a weird teacher in India. He's telling this nonsense stuff. Well, please give us clarification. Ask this. Okay. Okay. Yes. Ask him this. Why this crazy teacher is telling us first one is the odd one out. First one is the unusual one. Okay. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Next.
Yeah.
Fine. I'm not going to do this question. This question is very,
Mr.
very
Khas,
easy.
we know it easy.
Very,
Skip.
very similar to the previous one. Okay. We have very less time. Oh, cheese. Someone might be
Allah.
interested in this question.
Jamal.
You may not use a calculator. Yeah, Habibi, you may not use a calculator. You may never use.
Mr. Skip, Mr. Skip this question.
This question is also very, very similar. Let me do something.
Mr. I think
Like
this question is coming in the exam.
17.5% of 32 kgs. Just
Yes.
tell me what will be the equation here in the next line. Just tell me that.
Mister,
Let me say-
17.5 over 100 multiply 32.
No, Mister.
17.5 over 100 multiply. Exactly. This is the thing. Yes. You have any
It's-
objection?
Mr.
Amir?
Simplify 120.5. This is my way.
Wait, one by one. I'm asking Muhammad Amir, then Muhammad Ali is jumping in. I'm asking Yusuf Firaz, Muhammad Amir is jumping in. Why you guys are jumping? This is not rugby going on, not football going on. Please, relax. Yes.
Mister, they're playing basketball.
Yes, Mohammed Ami, tell me quickly. What's your issue here? No answer.
Mir. Mister, I
Okay.
think his mic is not working.
Who, Mr. Me or Yusuf?
You, Amir.
No one,
Uh,
no one, no
Mr.
one. I will tell you. Now, this question is 32 kg. Okay. Now, this question is looking very weird because you have 100 here, 32 here, and you have a decimal here.
Very
Can we remove
easy.
this decimal? Can we remove this
Yes.
decimal and some extra stuff in the
Yes.
question? What can
Yes.
you do? Tell me. What can you
Mister,
do?
I would do remove the zeros and simplify, make it 0.175 multiply 32. That's what I would do.
That is also correct. That is also correct. What he said that he will convert this guy to decimal, meaning what? He will get 0.175
5
multiply this
multiply
by 32 and
32.
he will get the answer. Exactly.
Yeah,
This is also
the
one way.
answer.
Or Mr. We can simplify 132. 100 by
You
4.
can simplify, but in this question particularly, Muhammad Ali's method is faster in this question. So I will not
Yeah.
give you any other method. Okay, this method is good. That you divide them, you get this answer decimal, and straight away do what? 175 times 32. You do the regular
Yeah, and
multiplication
then add the
stuff.
decimals. Move the decimals, and then you
And
get
yes,
that.
yes, regular, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
the last.
yes. Okay, you will get the proper answer. But the Mister can use the calculator. Yes. Okay. 0.175.
Mister, you have a calculator?
5.6. No, in the
Computer
5
calculator.
point what? Please, you guys
5.2.
understanding me.
Mister, I knew this question. 5.25.
Yeah, it says you can use the calculator.
5.6 kg. Okay, this is the
Oh.
answer. 5.6 kg is how many grams total? How many grams?
5,600 grams.
560.
560,
5,600.
mashallah.
600. 600.
Mashallah.
5,600.
Wait.
100.
Oh yeah,
Ali,
1,000,
please,
1,000.
Please,
No, it's me,
Take care.
Mister.
both answers are acceptable. Okay. Sibni. Huh? Which is larger? Now they are asking two things. Compare whether
Yes.
this guy is big or this guy is big.
Easy.
How do we solve? Simply the
Multiply
same
by
as we
20.
did here.
Yeah.
Or multiply by
with the
100.
same-
Multiply by
You
100.
can simplify these things and multiply by 3, get the answer. And this one also you can simplify and get the answer. You can compare which one is larger. Very, very
Yes.
simple. And here you can do this one and this one.
Yeah.
Let's do this one. 0.25 times 90 will give us what?
Easy. Just do the
22.5.
multiplication.
Mister, 22.5.
90. Put 90 up.
22.5. How did you know that?
90 divide 2 equal 45. 45 divide 2 equal 22.5.
Oh, wow. And 1/3 times 60?
1/3 multiplied by 60 equal 60/3
60.
equal 20.
One.
20, Mister.
20.
20.
So this is
Yeah.
giving us 20. Which one is bigger? This one is
22.5.
1.
Okay, the
Yeah.
first one. Okay. Let's do question number 12. Okay,
Such
again a
big
school
heap.
question.
Big heap.
Again a school question. Of the 900 children in a school, no, they're not cycling, Jamal, don't worry. They're not cycling. The school is near.
Mister,
Out of 900 children, 45% students are coming by what? Walking.
Walking.
Okay, so you are not here.
that's so Mister.
25% go by bus. You are also not here. Okay, 25% are coming by bus.
And Jamal is
And
hiking.
22% by cycle. Yes,
Jamal.
our boy is here. Our boy is here.
Mister, why no one comes with car? Oh, we should figure out the car. Mister, easy. Just add them all together.
Yes,
And the
it will
rest
be
come by car. Yani the rest number of percentages of guys come by car. Yes.
Mister, just add
Now,
them together.
what percentage come by car? This is very very easy question. How much
3%.
percentage is car? What we will do? What is,
No,
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 what is the
8%.
procedure? What is the procedure? Tell me.
45 plus 25 plus
We
22
add
equal
them and then
92.
minus 100 by.
We add all of them, yes,
Yeah,
and then subtract
92.
from 100.
92
right?
per. No, 90.
Car,
It will be
car,
8%. 8%.
8%.
8%.
Eight.
Yeah,
So
8%.
8% come by car. Okay,
92.
8%
Yeah.
are the
And then you
Mudiri
make
people.
and then you make
8%.
45 over 100 multiply by
Mister,
900
I
and
know.
get each one.
I will tell.
Mister,
I'll tell.
I
I'll tell.
just
Let-
normally added them both, added them all, and it became 92, so I said 8.
Yes,
Mister,
that's correct. Now we have to solve and give us the numbers actually. Out of 900 students, how many people or how many students are actually coming by walking?
45%.
How many by bus? How many by cycle? And how many by car? How do we
Easy.
solve these type of questions? I will tell you. We
Um,
have to
45 over
basically
100.
find what? 45% of 900, right?
of 900, yeah.
Percentage means
So
multiply.
45 will become what?
over
Over
100.
100.
Multiply
Half
900.
becomes
You
again
cancel.
900. Now,
You
Badar,
cancel
can we
the two
solve? Can
zeros.
we simplify this, Badar?
Yes.
How? Tell me.
0. We cancel it.
Yes.
45. Multiply 9
Hmm.
equal 405.
How do you know that so fast?
Calculator.
أين أعلى محاسبتك؟
We solved it, Mister, as homework. This was as a homework.
Ah, okay.
Wallah? How was that?
Jamal.
He never knew that. He realized just now.
Mister, I know both of them.
405 is the first answer. What is the second answer here?
25. Wait, Mister, I can.
The
70.
same. 225.
25.
Half of
25.
900 and then half again.
Yeah.
Mr. 25 over 100.
Mister, 22 will be 198, right? 22% of 900 is 198.
225. Correct. Yeah. 225.
Yeah.
125 and then 22% is how
One,
much?
198. And the car is 72.
72.
Mister, we will make multiply 9.
And
Mr.
how do we
70,
check?
72, Mr. 72 students. Yeah.
Check
How
it,
do
How
we
to
add them,
check?
and
Add them all
that all the
together.
numbers are correct? How do we
Add them
check
all
that?
together.
add them, and we'll
Add
get
them
money.
all together and what are we supposed to get?
900.
900.
900.
900.
If we get 900, that means we are going good.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the third exercise.
Okay.
Baby questions.
So the third one is the easiest.
Yeah, third one and fourth one. There's 13D is very easy.
Okay, let me bring the
Oh.
screenshot.
Yes, yes, yes.
There is an important thing to be explained here. Then this exercise will become ultra easy. Ultra Pro Max easy.
Mister, he look hindi.
Looking
Is
like
this
who?
Jamal?
Whose haircut is like this?
Yusuf, Mister, Yusuf.
What?
Yusuf,
What?
Yusuf.
Yusuf, please go to the
Yusuf.
saloon, please. Please change your
Mr.
hairstyle.
Sammy.
Please
Mr.
change. What? Who's that?
It's our
Ahmed
old
Fuad.
teacher.
Yeah, he was an old biology teacher.
Old teacher.
Mister,
He
you
was
know
an-
Mr. Sammy?
Is
You know
He
this,
was
you
from
know this
Tunisia.
class is
Biology
being,
teacher.
you know this class is being recorded?
No,
Yes, and I need to
No.
upload it, so please. Yes.
Mister, it's not recording.
Who said?
What do you
No,
need
it's
to
recorded.
Check.
It is, it
It
is,
is.
it is.
It
Yeah,
is
it's recording.
Okay. Okay, this is the third exercise. I'll explain the concept first. Okay. For example, you have $100 cost for a t-shirt. Okay, it's very, very expensive t-shirt. Okay. Okay, you have a t-shirt. And on top of that, when you go to the counter to purchase and do the billing, he adds another 15% Dariba. MashaAllah. Okay. You know this?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Bariba.
on 100, yes, tax, value added tax or Bariba. So
115.
on 100 percentage, he's adding 15% extra. Okay. I'll take a second scenario. In second scenario, you have 100 Riyal shirt. Now this is not KSA. Okay. This is not Saudi Arabia. You have the same cost of shirt, but this time they are giving a discount of 30% and there is no tax.
Oh,
Okay,
very good deal.
so let's see the comparison. What is the final cost of this shirt in first case and what is the cost of this shirt in the second country or in the second case? Is everyone paying attention?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
I am
sir.
going to specify some
Understood.
important things, so pay attention. Okay, in the first case, the cost will be multiplied by, are we increasing or decreasing the cost because of
Increasing.
VAT? We will increase.
Increase.
So whenever we are increasing, we will add this to 100%. 100%. So 100 plus 15 is what?
115.
115.
115%.
Yeah.
And 115% in decimal is what?
1.15.
1.15.
So cost will be multiplied by 1.15. We will get the answer. It will be 150 riyals.
Yeah, 150.
Now, in the second scenario, after applying the discount, are we increasing the price or are we decreasing the price?
Decreasing.
Definitely. See, mashallah, discount everyone knows. Okay. So this time, cost will be multiplied by, what is the overall 100%, right?
30.
In 100%,
Yeah.
if you remove
Yes.
30%, how much percent do you get?
70.
70.
70%. Okay. Now, 70% in decimal is what?
0.7.
0.7. Okay. That's the main difference, and you will get 70 Riyal in this country. Please
Mister,
write
can
it
you hear
down.
me?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay. Write down these two cases. This is case one. This is case
Okay.
two.
Mister, I love
And
the
if you have
case
any
too, Mister.
confusion in this example, you can ask me.
Okay.
Mister,
Mr.
Mister, in
Me.
our school, what do he do to get like the answer of these questions? If there is like increasing in the value, he will get like 100 riyals equal 100% plus 15% equal 115. Then he will put it 115 over 100 multiply like the value like
No need for
100.
100. No need for putting by 100. You have already the decimal. Just multiply by decimal.
Yeah,
Why change it to fraction?
yeah. It will be like 1.15 multiplied by 100. Then it will be one.
By the
150.
cost. Yes. Adam, what were you asking?
Like, Mr. When you in the cost, it's 0.7. So we multiply it 100 to make it 70.
We will multiply 100 by 0.7 and ultimately we are going to get 70 Riyal. This is the final cost of the shirt. So the same shirt, if you apply 15% tax and you don't apply any discount, what will be the final cost? 115. Okay. But the same shirt, you apply a 30% discount and you do not apply any tax. What will be the final answer? 70. Okay, clear? Now let's move on to the matching stuff, and this will make everything easy. Now, if you are decreasing something by 35%, means what? 100 minus 35 is how much?
0.65. Decrease. It's divide. No, wait.
To decrease by 35%. 100 minus 35 is how much?
0.65.
Multiply by 0.65.
100 minus 35 is 65%. 65% is 0.65. Where is 0.65 here?
Yeah.
And the first one.
First one.
So this will be connected here. Okay, Jamal, tell me the second one. This one, to decrease something by 5%, we will do what?
We will minus We will minus 100 by we will minus 105 and it will be 95 and then we will add a decimal and it will be 0.95.
100 minus 5, it will give us 0.95.
Yeah.
Where is 0.95?
The last one.
Now increase will increase the answer, so it
Yes.
will be more than 1. It will be more than
Yes, sir.
It will be more than 1. So it will be what? Increase by 30%. Who will give the answer?
Can I, Mr.
Can I?
Me.
Muhammad Amir.
Mimi. Okay, Mimi guy. Yes.
Muhammad
Mimi.
Ali.
1.3.
1.3. Yes. 1.3.
Okay, Mimi.
Why 1.3? Because 100 plus 30 is what?
130.
130.
And
But
130 is what? 1.3.
Yeah, 1.3.
Three.
Now the same stuff but decrease now. Decrease by 30.
Yeah, 100
Me-
minus 30 equals 70.
0.7.
0.7.
0.7. Okay, and the last remaining very easy.
Easiest.
1.05.
There. Yes, 1.05. Now, if you remember this technique, if you remember, it can be applied in question 3
Yes,
and other questions also.
like Mr. By the time it's getting easier. It's getting easy.
Yeah.
Now, just tell me, if you are decreasing something by 18%, you will
Yeah.
multiply by what? Multiply by
but-
what?
By 82.
No.
Yes,
We
82.
multiply by
0.82, Mr.
0.82.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, 0.82.
Yusuf Firas
82, yeah,
always
82.
takes time but hits the goal.
Mr. I said 82 because I only like said I meant 100 minus 18. 100% minus 18.
Mr.
I know you got the answer, but you have to do one more step. Yani 82 was the thing, but
Yes.
you have to bring the decimals also. Okay. So I know you know the concept, but I want to be exact. Yani what is the exact answer? Okay. If something you are decreasing by 5.5%, what multiplier we will use?
0.94.
0.945. 0.945.
Now Muhammad Amir hit the target in the first attempt.
Why?
94.
Muhammad Ali is lagging, mister.
How
Oh,
is that?
How did you get? Okay. What is 100 minus 5.5? What is 100 minus 5.5?
94.5.
94.5.
94.5 and shift the
Yeah.
decimal. Is that this?
Yes.
Oh.
I think I said
Oh.
it.
Alhin واضح. Okay.
Me.
Next. Mia وعسلية. Okay. Work out new values. Now let's do some real problems like this. Okay. Like this one. 5C. Increase
Yeah.
425 by 8%.
Can I
So
answer
if we are
this?
increasing something by 8% means what? Multiply by?
By 1.08. 1.08.
Exactly. Now Muhammad Amir will never miss.
Yes.
108.
108.
108
Okay, so
of
let's. So what will be the
Divide by
final
100.
thing? What will be the how we will solve this in the exam if a question like this comes?
Can I say,
We will
Mr.
do 425
Equal 100.
ml times
Oh.
1.08,
8.
and you can do this in the
Yeah,
calculation.
that's what I would do.
Mr.
And you can do this, and inshallah you will get.
Mister, you just need to know this concept. You know everything in this
459.
chapter.
459.
Mr.
So
The
the
Mr. in
answer-
our class.
Hmm.
The Mr. in our class will
4.5.
will get the 425 and make it like 425 milliliter equal 100% plus 8% equal 108% equal 108 over 100 equal 1.08 multiply 459
Same.
milliliter. Yes.
Same. It's same.
Same.
Okay. So see, in the exam we have very less time.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you will do a very long calculation, you will get the answer, but it will take a lot of time.
Yeah.
Okay. So these type of question you can do this. What about decrease? Other, can you tell me for the D part 5D, what will be the equation that I am going to write? Tell me.
Yes, mister.
for this question, decrease 5750 by centimeter by 24%. What will I do?
Okay.
5750 multiplied by what decimal? Tell me. No one will help. Okay, tell me what
Okay.
decimal will come in this box.
Question D.
Yes, question D. Yes, this one. 5D. I'm asking simply what will come in this box. I think some students already know the answer and they are dying to give the answer, but let them wait.
Yeah.
Riyad is not answering anything for so long. Where is he?
He only
I
took
think he's
once
sleeping,
and
yeah,
he
mister.
walked.
مستر نايم بالعسل يا مستر.
Okay. We will put 24.
صباح
Okay,
النور.
class, listen. Yes, Badr. Yes, tell me.
1 point
1 point.
24.
No, is it increasing or decreasing? Look at the word here. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Decrease.
Decreasing. So 1.24 will come if it was increased, but this is not increased. So calculate again.
Calculator.
Calculate again, I said.
Oh,
Calculator. You are also about to sleep, I think.
Yeah, Mr.
You only hear what you like. Mr.
2,
Set
4,
calculator, yalla.
0, 0.
Take out your calculator. Yes,
Mr.
Badr.
Badar, yes. I'm saying jump. Badar, tell me.
2, 4.
100 minus 24% will give you what?
0.76.
This is the color of Qatar.
Oh.
100 minus 24.
You wallah.
100 minus
Mr. Can I
24 will give
answer?
us what?
76.
76. And 76 when you convert to decimal will give you what?
This 0.76.
Exactly. Everyone, is his answer correct?
Yes.
Yours.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
his answer
Mr.
is
Yes.
correct. Now, but the answer is still not solved.
Yeah.
What
You
you
will
have
have
to
to
do?
multiply.
You have to do a big thing. 0.76 multiply by 6. I'll solve one question for you for multiplication because some students might be confused. How is this going on? So 6 times 0.
Equal 4370.
How do you know so fast?
We solved it homework.
We solved it, Mr.
Answer key.
You solved it. Okay. Khalas, leave it. You guys know the multiplication. Okay,
Like
I'm not
Mr.
solving it. It's simple multiplication. Okay, I'm not solving it anymore. But what will be the answer? Let me solve it in calculator. But what will be the unit of the answer?
4370.
Centimeter.
What is the final answer? Tell me.
4370 centimeter.
Centimeter. If you guys write this answer in meter, what will be the answer? I want to check who is Zaki here.
We will divide it into 100.
437.
Give me the final answer, not the procedure. Give me the
43.7.
43.7. Who said it?
Muhammad Ali first.
Me.
Not me.
Muhammad Ali,
It was
yes.
Muhammad Ali, not
Yes.
me. It wasn't you. Yes, this is the correct answer. 43.7 is the right answer. Yani both are correct. The first
Yes.
one as well as the second, both are correct. Whichever you write, you will get the full marks.
Mr. Question 7.
7.
Now there are so many word problems. We cannot go through all the word problems.
Mr. Skip all this يا مستر.
No, 7 and 10.
I'll do
7
only
and
one
10.
question from here or maximum 2, and in 15 minutes, inshallah, we will finish the class. Okay, because
Mr. 7
I
and
have
10, the
other
Mr.
task.
answered them.
What?
No, 7 and 10 was homework.
اي صح والله.
Factory workers want a 12% increase in their salary. 12% increase.
Yes.
How much would a worker get if they currently? So this is their current salary.
Yeah.
And you want to increase their salary
Increase them by 12.
by 12%. So
112.
basically, what you have to do? Multiply by what?
Multiply by
112.
1.12.
By, 1.12.
1.12.
Their salary. That's
Yeah.
the thing. Halas.
Yes.
Multiply 1.12 and 225, you'll get the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all. So that's what I'm saying. In this exercise, you have to pay attention on these keywords. What are the keywords? Is it decreasing or increasing? That's all. That's all. Okay. Let's do question number 9. Are
Okay.
we increasing or are we decreasing? Read the question.
Uh,
Why there are two
decreasing,
lines?
Decreasing,
Why there are
mister.
two lines?
Decreasing.
Glitch.
glitched. No, the mass of honey, the mass. Oh wait, okay.
I brought the same screenshot 2 times.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
The mister.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh,
Huh?
yes.
He was waiting for this moment.
Yes, yes,
Mister,
yes.
I thought it was one picture because it looked like so combined
Okay, now that is
together.
hidden. That is hidden behind this glass. Okay, now read question number 9 and tell me what will be the equation.
Can I read
Uh,
it?
Can I
Decrease.
say, mister?
No, read in your mind. Read in your
Oh.
Dimag.
Mister, I know the answer.
Mr.
No,
Easy, I
give
read it
give
easy.
some time. Give 20 seconds so the students can read it.
Okay.
I'll read it. Okay, I'll read it. After harvesting, the mass of honey in a row of beehives went down by 12%.
Yes.
If there was originally a mass of 85 kg, how much honey was left? For example, you have this tree and you have this beehive. You know beehive?
Yes.
The bees
Yes.
are here.
They kill
Now.
me every day.
Now honey has entered the chat. So Jamal has entered the chat. Okay. Now during the cutting of this thing, you take it out. So some pieces are left over, some pieces are wasted, whatnot. So what was the original mass of the beehive? 85 kg.
85 kg.
But after processing and taking it out, 12% was wasted.
Yeah.
How do I know? How do I know? Because it is
It's
mentioned
written.
here.
Yes.
It's mentioned here.
Yeah.
Now what are they asking?
Mister, I can
What is
answer.
the final mass of
Yeah.
the processed honey? How we will do it?
74.8.
No, tell me the
74.8.
procedure. Riyadh has entered the chat. Also,
Yes.
honey.
Mister.
What is the procedure? What calculation are you going to perform?
0.88.
0.88.
85.
No one is telling me the procedure.
Can I say, mister?
85 Muhammad
Mister.
Ali. Muhammad Ali.
Okay.
85 kilogram.
Multiply
85
0.88.
85 multiplied 0.88.
0.88 or 1.12, which one is correct? Are we increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
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 So the first one will be correct, second one will
Yeah.
be incorrect.
Because they say went down.
It went down. Yes.
It's
So they will
equal
use different
74.8.
English words to confuse you. See, they did not use increase or decrease. They said went down. Went down
So
means
if
what?
they say
Yeah.
went up, it will be increased.
Went up will be increased. Yes. For example, the prices of the iPhone went up by 8%. Okay. So find the final price. So you have to solve that type of question. Okay. You will get the answer here.
74.8.
4.8.
Let me 74.8 Real
8.
or what?
Kilogram.
No, kilogram.
No. Dollar.
Yes.
Oh,
Kilogram.
kilogram.
Of honey.
Oh.
Yes.
No.
Even heavier
yeah.
than most of you.
Yeah,
guys.
must
This is
be
the.
funny.
Anyways, now we are jumping to the final exercise quickly. See how much we have studied today. So big worksheet.
A lot.
Mr. Kilogram of
Mister.
shawarma or what?
Kilogram
No.
of shawarma.
Honey.
Honey.
Ahmed Ali.
Mister,
Using
do you
my
know?
tactics. Using my tactics on me, huh?
Mister, I wrote 11 pages. No, I'm joking. I wrote 3 pages.
Mister, do you know in this year, like in a lot of books, my name is mentioned in these books in the questions. Last time was in the physics.
Mister,
The last
time I saw
exercise
my
is the
name.
smallest.
Yes.
And
So
easiest.
I think in like
We have no time.
around 7 to 8 minutes we can finish. Okay, so now we are only, this is the exercise, 4 questions.
Yes.
Now pay
I understand
attention
it.
so that we don't waste any time. Okay.
Okay.
Riyal, what were you saying?
I didn't understand this
You
exercise.
didn't understand. No problem.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
explain
yeah.
you the concept here. Rewrite the following questions as percentage questions. You do not need to work out the answer. The first one is done for you. Okay. Now, if you look closely,
Yes.
6/10 in percentage is how much?
0. No.
0.6.
60.
Yeah.
Listen
0.
to the question.
Because they
In
make
percentage, it is what? You are
multiply
telling me
10.
0 point. What 0 point?
Oh, percentage.
Not listening to the
60
question.
percentage. 60.
60 percentage. This is what is
Yes.
mentioned here.
Yeah.
And 800 copy paste mentioned here. Khalas, question
Yes.
solved.
Okay.
That's all. That's all. Now
Then
tell me, 0.23 is how much
23%
percentage?
23% of $18.
multiply
23
18.
percentage of $18. Khalas, next question, so easy. Next.
Okay. 3/8. No, 3/8.
3/8 is how much
Let's say
percentage? You need to
45%
calculate in a
of
formula. You need to
Multiply by
calculate in a formula.
12.5. 12.5. Multiply
Okay.
by 12.5
How
equal
much percentage?
37.5 over
37.
100 equal 37.5% of 20 kilogram.
Who didn't understand this question?
خلاص أنا understand.
Inter
But
time?
how we bring
Okay.
37.5?
C, Mister. I didn't understand C.
Okay. They are asking 3/8. How will you convert this guy to percentage is the biggest question currently, right? Simply multiply by 100. Okay. We'll give you what? 4, 50. We'll give you what? 2 and 25. Yes?
25.
So you will get 75/2, correct? What is the half of 75?
75, 70, 35.
37.5.
Yeah, 37.5.
Adam, clear?
Clear.
So now wrote down these steps. Wrote down these. If you have a confusion, wrote down. Write down. What wrote down? What is happening to
Then
my English?
5% of 700 millimeter or 0.7
Slowly,
liter.
slowly.
Okay,
Slowly,
5% of.
slowly. Tell me when I can go to the D part if you guys are ready.
Okay.
Huh?
We are ready, Mister.
No, wait. I still don't read.
Still eating?
Still don't
I
try.
was eating 5 minutes ago, mister.
Ah. Okay. Now 0.05. If we convert to
5%.
percentage,
5%.
we will get what?
5%.
What is the
of
technique here?
Five.
What are we doing? We are just shifting decimal 2 times,
Yes.
right? So it will be 1 time
5%
here
of 700 millimeter.
5.
and 1 time here. So we
Okay.
get 5% of
But of
100 millimeter.
700 millimeter.
of 0.7 liter. 0.7 liter.
What?
what liter? This is not ml. This is not ml.
Millimeter.
Yes. Okay.
Too
Mister.
smart. Over smart.
70 centimeter. 70 centimeter.
Next, yes, centimeter. Okay. So what did we found out? We found out in this question, we don't have to solve anything. We just have to rewrite in a different way. Simply.
Yes.
Because what was mentioned here? What was the first word?
Rewrite.
Okay. In this question, we have to do mental maths and then give the answer only. We don't have to solve in the calculator, okay, like few students are doing. Okay.
Okay. Mister.
Who's this
Ah,
thing?
let me solve it. Mister, what can you show you, mister?
Because I know the answer.
I need to finish the class and then you are making me crazy at the last moment. 6400 times 7/10.
خلاص هدي.
The whole class will go mute now. You guys need to learn to listen. You are just 12, 13 years old guys and you can't even listen. What will happen when you grow up? You will stand on the other guy and not let him talk. I'm talking and telling you the thing and then you are continuously interrupting in between. In this question, an original calculation is given to you. 6400 times this guy is giving us this. This is their original thing that they gave you. Based on this original calculation, what will be the answer here and what will be the answer here? Now, how do we solve these type of questions? We have to just rewrite in our head something. 6400, and this is what? 7/10 is what? 70%. Okay, so if in mind 6400 into 70% is giving us what? 4480. And what are they asking? They are asking what is 35% of 6400? What is 35%? So what we will do, if 6400 70% is giving us this, and they are asking for 35, means what? We have to half. So what is the half of 4480? 2240. That's the answer. Okay, mental maths. You don't have to solve it and then do big calculations. Next, I'll open the mic now and you guys have to give your opinion for the second part. Yes, tell me. 2B. How are we going to do 35% of
Mr.
64,000?
Just add a zero, Mr.
We will add 0.
Mr. we'll add
Or
only
We can add a
zero.
zero.
we'll add on
We
one
can
zero.
add a zero simply because
Yeah.
everything here is same here except a zero. So the answer was 2240 here. It will be 22400
22400.
or 22,400. Okay. Use the same technique in this question, and this is the last question for today. Okay. 2/5 is how much percentage? 2/5. This is how much percentage? Multiply by 100, you will get the answer.
Like 4.
40.
40 is the
40
answer.
over
Adam,
100,
not
Mr.
4. Because 2/5 times 100, you will get this 40.
20,
40
yeah.
over 100.
Okay. So this is 40%. Okay. And this is basically 40. So 520 and you take 40%, you get 208. Now what is the book asking you? For the same 520, we are calculating 20%. So what will be the answer?
104.
No. 40% of 520 is how much? They have already given to you.
208.
You said 104. Adnan said 104, right?
Yes.
No, his answer is correct. His answer is correct. What is the book asking? The book is asking 20% of the same thing, right?
The half.
Yes.
So if 40% is giving us this answer, what will 20% give?
The half.
The half.
The half of 208. What is the half of 208?
104.
104. Are you guys understanding these type of questions?
Yes.
What about others?
I understand it, mister.
Okay. Next, 80% of
416.
520.
No,
What is the
it's
procedure
just
then?
the
What is the
double.
procedure?
We will multiply 208 multiply 2.
We will double it. Yes, you can use the original assumption. 40% is giving you 208. Now we have to find 80%. Yani double. What is the double of 208?
416.
416.
416. This will be the answer here. Okay. What about the last?
100,
We will add only 0.
1040.
1040.
We will add 0 in the A part.
Yeah.
Yes. Because A part and C part are exactly same except a 0.
Yes.
Okay. So the answer will be 104 and then a 0.
Yes.
Okay, 1040. Is there any unit involved? Kilogram, dollar?
Nothing.
No.
No unit is involved. So we will just keep it as it is. Okay. So I think
Mr. Question 4 only.
what? You have to tell, is it true or false? 35% of 320 is 112. If this is correct, then this of this is giving how much? Is it giving 2240? Let's check true or false. 35% of 320 is giving how much?
35 over
112,
100.
correct? Now,
Okay.
7 over 10 is what?
The
Basically.
double of 35%, 70%.
Exactly. This is 75%. 75% of 3200 is supposed to give us what? Tell me. Now think in your head. What are we supposed to get here? We have to do two tricks in one question, in this question. Two tricks.
2240. 2240.
How did you get this?
Because first of all, the double.
Because 35 is big. Oh, why did I write 75? It's 70.
70.
Sorry.
First of all,
70.
the double
Okay.
of
So the first trick is this guy is getting doubled.
yeah.
Okay. And a 0 is introduced. Okay. So what is the double of 112?
224 and a 0.
224
And if you
240.
introduce a 0, you will get 2240. Is the book giving you the same number?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's true.
So your answer will be true. And they are asking explain. So you will just explain in English. You will write that 35 is changed to 70 and an extra 0 is added. So these two things we are going to perform on 112.
100.
So we will get 2240. Okay. This you have to write in English and that's the answer. But these type of explanatory questions, I think they are not given in the exams. Okay. So I think that's it for today and I need to go now. Okay.
Okay, Mr.
Bye.
Mr.
Bye.
Don't forget to send a 4K picture for this.
I'll give you the high resolution picture inshallah. Okay. In the group now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.